Antigo Cleaning Systems is a janitorial franchise company. And with cleaning services, these services include their entire office cleaning and restroom cleaning. We serve multiple type of industries, everything from banks, hospitals, large medical. Our motto is, we clean America's businesses. Today we have 34 cities across the United States with approximately 1,876 franchises. Antigo Cleaning System is ranked the 5th fastest growing franchise in the United States. The type of people we're looking for at Antigo are enthusiastic people with a very strong customer service background. We need driven people, people that are driven to serve. We're very proud of our customer service driven program here at Antigo. And for that, we've received the top 50 satisfaction award throughout the United States. That coincides with our "we believe in people" idea, are consistent in giving people the opportunity for advancement and training.
Best thing about working here is the people. It's a family atmosphere and everyone's great and they'll help you with anything. Anything you need and want, they're there for you. I love working for Antigo.
If you're looking to go to work for a company that has been in the business for over 20 years, is ranked very highly in its industry, has a very comprehensive benefit program, is customer service driven, and you've got a smile on your face, then we ask, come on work for Antigo. We want you.